Album on Mongolia. Hope you one day you will visit Mongolia. Thank you very much. And
So this is some tea and Darjeeling tea and Assam tea from that region.
Darjeeling tea from Mongolia. Like it.
I like Canada. I like to own it. I want to own it. Some
Thank you.
I'm happy to be in India because our two countries have a long history and we call our spiritual neighbors each other. And within the framework of commemoration 70th anniversary of establishing diplomatic relations between Mongolia and India, I'm visiting, traveling all around India, celebrating, and this time we came to Kolkata. Today we inaugurated the film festival, Mongolian Film Festival. Also we're attending the inauguration of the wrestling championship because another common thing between Mongolia and India is wrestling. You know? As you probably aware, Mongolians, our wrestling is our national sport, one of the national sports. One is wrestling, archery and horse racing. So wrestling is we call manly sport, and you're probably aware that for the last 20-30 years, all the grand champions, yokozunas of Japanese sumos are mostly Mongolians. So it shows how strong Mongolia is in wrestling. So we'd like to continue our cooperation in the developing wrestling cooperation between our two countries, and we hope to bring coaches from Mongolia to India as well as the Indian young wrestlers to Mongolia to teach them how to wrestle maybe in judo or free wrestling, or maybe even in the future maybe the India can have the sumo champion in Japanese sumo.
So what is this meeting today is all about with speaker, sir?
Of course, I would like to express our sincere appreciation for Honorable Speaker for receiving us today. It's a courtesy meeting, and I'm just informing the Honorable Speaker about my activities in Kolkata, about our film festival as well as the wrestling championship. And I'm happy to appreciate, I would like to express our appreciation for receiving us today. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, sir.
যিনি অ্যাম্বাসেডর, তিনি একটা সৌজন্যমূলক সাক্ষাৎকার চেয়েছিলেন, আমরা সেটা দিয়েছি। উনি আজকে আমাদের এখানে এসেছেন আমাদের ব্র্যান্ড অ্যাম্বাসেডরকে সঙ্গে করে নিয়ে, এবং আমরা পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সঙ্গে মঙ্গোলিয়ার একটা রিলেশনশিপ, ভারতের সঙ্গে দীর্ঘ রিলেশনশিপ রয়েছে। ওরা এখান থেকে গঙ্গা জল নিয়ে যায়, এটা আমি শুনে অবাক হয়ে গেলাম যে গঙ্গা জলকে দেবতার মতো ওরা পুজো করেন। এবং আমাদের মধ্যে দুটো দেশের মধ্যে যে সাংস্কৃতিক মেলবন্ধন রয়েছে সেটা ওদের কথাতেই বোঝা যাচ্ছে। এবং আগামী দিন পশ্চিমবঙ্গ এবং মঙ্গোলিয়া তারা যৌথভাবে বিভিন্ন ক্ষেত্রে কাজকর্ম করবেন, সেটাই আমরা প্রত্যাশা করি।